Bowel cancer, also known as colorectal cancer, continues to be one of the most prevalent cancers. According to the American Cancer Society, an estimated 152,810 people in the U.S. will be diagnosed with colon cancer in 2024, and sadly, 53,010 people will lose their lives to this disease. Most people think about cancer prevention in terms of what they shouldn't eat. But what if some foods could actually help prevent bowel cancer? It turns out there may be something to the old advice to eat your colors. Yellow fruits and vegetables in particular seem to have properties that could help prevent bowel cancer and colon polyps. Is this simply a myth, or is there solid scientific evidence behind it? Well, the compounds that give these foods their yellow color, like flavonoids and carotenoids, appear to have anti-cancer effects. Of course, no single food is a magic bullet against cancer, but incorporating more of these yellow foods into your diet is a simple step that could potentially reduce your risk. At the very least, they're nutritious additions to any meal. In today's video, we will clarify these questions and share 8 yellow foods to prevent bowel cancer and colon polyps, backed by scientific evidence. We'll also share tips on how to enjoy each of these foods the right way, so you can reap all their amazing benefits. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with your friends and family. Have you or anyone in your family experienced bowel cancer? Which part of the world are you from? Leave your comment below. Now let's look at 8 yellow foods that may help prevent bowel cancer and colon polyps. 1. Lemons. Lemons are probably the first yellow food that comes to mind for most people. They're a common ingredient in cooking and drinks, prized for their bright, tart flavor. But lemons have more going for them than just taste. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which acts as an antioxidant in the body. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage cells and potentially lead to cancer. Some studies have found that higher vitamin C intake is associated with a lower risk of colon cancer. Lemons also contain compounds called flavonoids. Early research suggests flavonoids may have anti-cancer properties, including the ability to induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in colon cancer cells. Of course, this is still preliminary research done in lab settings, not definitive proof that eating lemons prevents cancer in humans. But it's an intriguing lead. The easiest way to get more lemon in your diet is to squeeze some into water or tea. You can also use lemon juice in salad dressings or to flavor vegetables and fish. Don't forget about the zest. The outer peel contains beneficial compounds too. 2. Turmeric. Turmeric has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years, particularly in India and other parts of Asia. Recently, it's become trendy in the West as a superfood. While we should be skeptical of miracle health claims, turmeric does seem to have some promising properties when it comes to cancer prevention. The key compound in turmeric is curcumin. Curcumin has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Chronic inflammation is thought to play a role in cancer development, so reducing inflammation could potentially lower cancer risk. According to a recent review study published in the Journal of Frontiers in Oncology, curcumin has been shown to inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells and cause them to self-destruct. It may also help prevent the formation of blood vessels that feed tumors. Animal studies have found that curcumin can reduce the number and size of colon tumors. Of course, lab and animal studies don't always translate directly to humans, but some small clinical trials in humans have had encouraging results. For example, one study found that taking curcumin reduced the number of aberrant crypt foci, potential precursors to colon polyps, in smokers. The tricky thing with turmeric is that curcumin isn't very bioavailable, meaning our bodies don't absorb it well on its own. To increase absorption, it helps to consume turmeric with black pepper and some fat. A classic combination is golden milk, made with turmeric, black pepper, and coconut milk. You can also use turmeric in curries, soups, and rice dishes, or try adding a pinch to scrambled eggs or roasted vegetables. Just be aware that it has a strong flavor and can stain clothing and countertops. 3. Yellow bell peppers. Bell peppers come in various colors, but the yellow ones may have some special benefits when it comes to cancer prevention. Yellow bell peppers are exceptionally high in vitamin C, even higher than oranges. As mentioned earlier, vitamin C acts as an antioxidant and may help protect against colon cancer. But yellow bell peppers have more going for them than just vitamin C. They're also rich in carotenoids, particularly zeaxanthin and lutein. These compounds have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies have found that higher intake of lutein and zeaxanthin is associated with a lower risk of colon cancer. Yellow bell peppers are versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. You can eat them raw as a snack or in salads. They're also great sautéed or roasted as a side dish. Try adding them to stir-fries, fajitas, or omelets. 4. Bananas. Bananas are one of the most popular fruits in the world, and for good reason. They're convenient, tasty, and nutritious. But could a banana a day keep cancer at bay? There's some evidence to suggest they might. Bananas are a good source of dietary fiber, particularly a type called resistant starch. Resistant starch acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome is increasingly recognized as important for overall health, including cancer prevention. When bacteria in our colon ferment resistant starch, they produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. Butyrate appears to have anti-inflammatory effects in the colon and may help prevent the development of colon cancer. Bananas also contain other potentially beneficial compounds. They're a good source of vitamin B6, which some studies have linked to a lower risk of colorectal cancer. They also contain flavonoids and phenolic compounds with antioxidant properties. Green bananas have more resistant starch than ripe ones, but ripe bananas are easier to digest and still have plenty of health benefits. Try adding a banana to your morning oatmeal or smoothie, or have one as an easy snack. 5. Golden kiwi. Golden kiwi is a variety of kiwi fruit with yellow flesh instead of green. It has a sweeter, less tart flavor than green kiwi. But more importantly for our purposes, it has some unique nutritional properties. Like other yellow fruits, golden kiwi is high in vitamin C and carotenoids. But it also contains a compound called actinidin, which is rare in other foods. Actinidin is a proteolytic enzyme, meaning it helps break down proteins. Some research suggests actinidin could have anti-cancer properties. In lab studies, it's been shown to induce apoptosis in colon cancer cells. It may also help reduce inflammation in the gut. Golden kiwi is also a good source of dietary fiber, including both soluble and insoluble fiber. As mentioned earlier, fiber is important for colon health and may help prevent colon cancer. You can eat golden kiwi on its own as a snack or add it to fruit salads or smoothies. Some people even like to eat the skin, which is thinner and less fuzzy than green kiwi skin. 6. Ginger. Ginger has been used medicinally for thousands of years, particularly in Asian cultures. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive health properties, but it may also have potential in cancer prevention. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols. These have been shown to have anti-cancer properties in lab studies. They may help induce apoptosis in cancer cells and prevent them from spreading. Some animal studies have found that ginger extract can reduce the formation of colon tumors, and a small human study found that taking ginger reduced markers of colon inflammation in people at normal risk for colorectal cancer. Ginger is also known to help with nausea, which can be a side effect of cancer treatments like chemotherapy. So while more research is needed on its cancer-preventing properties, it could potentially be helpful for cancer patients in other ways. You can use fresh ginger in stir-fries, soups, and teas. Powdered ginger works well in baked goods and spice blends. You can also find ginger supplements, but as with any supplement, it's best to talk to your doctor before taking them regularly. 7. Yellow onions. Onions might not be the first food you think of when it comes to cancer prevention, but they actually contain several compounds that could be beneficial. Onions are rich in flavonoids, particularly a type called quercetin. Quercetin has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Some studies have found that higher intake of quercetin is associated with a lower risk of colon cancer. Onions also contain organosulfur compounds, which give them their pungent smell and taste. These compounds have been shown to have anti-cancer properties in lab studies. They may help induce apoptosis in cancer cells and prevent them from spreading. Red onions are often touted as the healthiest, but yellow onions have plenty of beneficial compounds too. And they're often sweeter and more versatile in cooking. You can use yellow onions in all sorts of dishes, soups, stews, stir-fries, and salads. Cooking onions brings out their natural sweetness, but raw onions have higher levels of some beneficial compounds, so try to include both in your diet. 8. Pineapple. Pineapple might seem out of place on this list. It's more golden than yellow, and it's not exactly a staple food for most people. But it has some unique properties that make it worth including. The key compound in pineapple is bromelain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins. Bromelain has anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of colon cancer. In lab studies, bromelain has been shown to inhibit the growth of colon cancer cells and cause them to self-destruct. It may also help prevent the formation of blood vessels that feed tumors. Pineapple is also a good source of vitamin C and manganese, both of which act as antioxidants in the body. And like other fruits, it provides dietary fiber, which is important for colon health. Fresh pineapple is delicious on its own, but you can also add it to fruit salads, smoothies, or use it in cooking. Just be aware that canned pineapple often has added sugar, so fresh is generally a healthier choice. It's important to note that while these foods show promise in cancer prevention, they're not a substitute for proven cancer screening methods like colonoscopies. And no single food can guarantee you won't get cancer. The best approach is a varied, balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables of all colors, not just yellow. That said, incorporating more of these yellow foods into your diet is a simple step that could potentially reduce your risk of bowel cancer and colon polyps. At the very least, they're nutritious additions to any meal. Remember, too, that other lifestyle factors play a role in cancer risk. Maintaining a healthy weight, getting regular exercise, limiting alcohol consumption, and not smoking are all important for cancer prevention. In the end, the message isn't to obsess over eating specific superfoods. It's to enjoy a variety of healthy foods as part of an overall healthy lifestyle. If some of those foods happen to be yellow and potentially help prevent cancer, so much the better. If this video helped you out, why not give it a quick like and share it around? It could really help someone else looking after their bowel health. Do you already consume any of these yellow foods on a daily basis? Drop a comment and let's chat about it. And if you want to stay in the loop with more health tips, just hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We release new videos every week. Your likes and comments really keep us going. They show us what you want to see more of. Before you go, check out these 2 videos we selected specially for you. I think you'll love them. Have an awesome day and remember to take care of your bowel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.